With a production area of 3,000 square meters, an experience of 40 years in the industry, and a passion for electronics manufacturing and engineering, Hemargroup is a name of excellence, quality, reliability, and flexibility in Switzerland with ISO certification. What sets us apart? Our high-quality products with enhanced machinery, state-of-the-art modern facility. Every process undergoes double quality check IPC and is IPC normative conform. We have a commitment to brilliance and diversity as our work's true depiction. From prototypes to huge series, production capacity of around 1.8 million components per day, constant calibration and machine maintenance every 6 months, uncompromised material quality check, controlled temperature and humidity levels for maximum reliability, X-ray and BGA rework station for repair. With our diligent, hardworking, and highly qualified team of experts, we are one of the top EMS industry specialists in Switzerland and growing in the world market with every progress. We are making history with our utmost dedication to new developments and the expansion of our partners' community and networks all across the globe. Visit us and see our world of technology. Hemargroup. Electronic is our world. Manufacturing our passion.